Welcome back to the channel. If you're a tattoo artist or planning to become one in 2026, choosing the right tattoo machine is more important than ever. In today's video, I'll be covering the top 5 best tattoo machines of 2026, focusing on performance, battery life, stroke options, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Mast Tour Cordless Tattoo Pen Machine Kit QP001. The Mast Tour Cordless Tattoo Pen is a lightweight rotary machine designed for both beginners and professional artists. It comes with a cordless battery system, smooth motor, and supports standard cartridge needles. This machine is known for its excellent balance and low vibration. The cordless design allows full freedom of movement, making it ideal for long tattoo sessions. It performs well for lining, shading, and color packing. Pros: lightweight and compact design, smooth and stable motor, cordless convenience, beginner-friendly and professional-ready. Cons: battery capacity is average, limited advanced customization options. If you want a reliable, affordable cordless tattoo pen that delivers consistent performance, the Mast Tour is a solid choice. Number 2. Mast Racer Pro Wireless Tattoo Gun Kit. The Mast Racer Pro features a powerful 4.2mm stroke length with dual adjustable E-give, allowing both soft and hard-hitting modes. It comes with 2 batteries for extended working time. This machine is built for precision. The adjustable stroke and E-give make it perfect for artists who want full control over lining and shading. It handles thick lines and smooth gradients effortlessly. Pros: adjustable stroke and E-give system, strong motor for precision work, dual batteries included. Ideal for lining and shading. Cons: slightly heavier than basic models, higher price point. The Mast Racer Pro is an excellent choice for professional tattoo artists who demand power, flexibility, and precision. Number 3. Mast Archer Cordless Tattoo Machine Pen. The Archer is powered by an M-Core motor and features a large 2000 mAh battery for long working hours. It has a 3.5mm stroke length, suitable for most tattoo styles. This machine stands out for its battery life and consistent power output. It runs quietly with minimal vibration, making it comfortable for long sessions without hand fatigue. Pros: long-lasting 2000 mAh battery, quiet and low vibration, strong and consistent motor, comfortable grip design. Cons: fixed stroke length, not ideal for artists who prefer adjustable strokes. The Mast Archer is perfect for artists who want reliability, long battery life, and smooth performance without constant battery changes. Number 4. Mast Fold Pro Wireless Tattoo Pen Machine. The Mast Fold Pro features an innovative folding design and offers adjustable stroke lengths. It includes 2 replaceable batteries and an M-Core motor for stable performance. This machine is extremely versatile. The adjustable stroke make it suitable for lining, shading, and color packing. The folding design also improves grip comfort and control. Pros: adjustable stroke lengths, 2 replaceable batteries, comfortable ergonomic design, versatile for all tattoo styles. Cons: slight learning curve for beginners, bulkier compared to slim pen models. If you want one machine that can handle almost every tattoo style, the Mast Fold Pro is a powerful all-in-one solution. Number 5. Dragonhawk L3 Complete Tattoo Gun Kit. The Dragonhawk L3 is a complete cordless tattoo kit featuring 7 adjustable stroke lengths, 2 batteries, an M-Core motor, and tattoo needle cartridges included. This machine is built for professionals who want maximum control. The adjustable stroke range allows artists to switch between different tattoo techniques effortlessly. Pros: 7 adjustable stroke lengths, complete kit included, powerful M-Core motor, excellent for advanced artists. Cons: more features than beginners may need. The Dragonhawk L3 is a premium tattoo machine designed for professional artists who want total control and versatility. So there you have it, the top 5 best tattoo machines of 2026. Whether you're a beginner or a professional tattoo artist, there's a machine on this list that fits your style and budget. Check the links in the description for current prices and deals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which tattoo machine you're using right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.